really looking forward to describing it for you. The game today, Tottenham against West Ham United. This is today's Tottenham Hotspur team. Hugo Lloris starts in goal. Harry Kane is the main striker today. West Ham United's lineup is this.
Well, we think, Alan, it'll be a 4-5-1 formation, which can look a bit negative.
Yeah, but you look at the players in that five, that midfield.
Tried his luck! Well, that was so close to going inside the post, but it's just straight past the outside.
Yeah, I think he'd beaten the keeper, you know, but just not got it within the framework of the goals, and he's a bit unlucky.
Harry Kane had a great season, 14-15, and there was a fear, Alan, wasn't it, at the start of the next season, that he might be a one-season wonder. That certainly wasn't the case.
No, he's got too many qualities, Martin, to be a one-season wonder, and as we've seen, he just frightens defenders, he really does.
Emil Højbjerg. Bowen. Short passes, but they're keeping the ball. Moving the opposition around with these two players.
Defended well.
Here's Harry Kane.
Excellent challenge.
Bowen. Got the opposition backpedaling a little bit.
The shot's on to take the lead. Comes out off the goalkeeper.
He's got that well out of harm's way.
Gertzuma.
Rice. Son.
Excellent pressure. They should be able to build from here in midfield. Could be dangerous.
Cresswell.
Well, they keep moving the ball here.
Rice. Lanzini. Well, that pass never looked like reaching its target, and they're away with the ball. Edwin Hernandez.
Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there.
Here's Højbjerg. Here's Dyer. Emil Højbjerg. For West Ham, a genuine challenge, but a genuine prospect of victory if they get it right against today's opposition. Cresswell. Rice.
Cresswell.
Rice.
Coming on strong and looking to play their way through now.
Bowen.
I think the cross is on.
A return ball.
Neatly intercepted.
Emil Højbjerg. Romero. Here's Højbjerg.
Sloppy work, really. Got to pass the ball a bit better than this if they're going to make progress, giving it straight away.
Really strong tackle, and the ball's gone out for a throw. Here's Højbjerg. Lanzini. Bowen.
Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. Well, that's relieved some of the pressure as the defender clears his lines out of play. Okay. West Ham have won that passage of play and come away with the ball. He could cross it from here. Okay.
Son.
And then in the middle, frustrated because that cross has gone straight behind. Comes to get it to feet. He's come rather deep to do that, the main striker. Son.
The referee has indicated there will be a minimum of
He
2
can cut it back now.
It's
Really good defending. If he hadn't touched it, it was a goal.
Now, one of the keepers thanking him for that bit of closing down by his defender.
Corner played into the middle. And the crowd of players, the keeper goes for a punch. And the referee says, that's a free kick. Kane. Into the feet of Kane, who's strong when it comes to screening it away from the defender. And there is the half-time whistle, 0-0 at the break. Alan, your thoughts on Harry Kane's first-half performance?
Room for improvement, I think you could say, from this lad.
And here we go, the referee's blown his whistle, and we're off for the second half. Lanzini. Bowen. It's good work between these two. They've gone wide, chance to get the ball in the box. Trying to find an opening. Not panicking. Lanzini. Just lent the ball to his mate and got it back again. They've set it up well for the cross. Whipped in from the wide area. Very straightforward piece of goalkeeping as he catches the cross. Rice. The shot's on. Goalkeeper hangs on. Could be a chance here. They've got the ball into a good area. He's got his shot off now. There might be a corner for West Ham. We've got substitutes warming up for both sides. And both managers are going to bring on some fresh legs. In goes the corner. Off the post. Shots on here. Magnificent from the goalkeeper.
Well, it's all about positioning and spreading his body. Top-class keeping. Well, they've created chance after chance. They need some ruthlessness now.
And in it goes. Zuma! Reaching for it a little bit with the header, and that's the expected result.
Back to the training ground, I think.
And it's been an hour of very good football here. We've still got 30 more minutes to go, and I'm sure we're going to enjoy that as well.
Rice. Bit of keep ball going on here. Rice. Bowen. Could get the ball into the box now. Looking for teammates in the middle. Safety first there.
West Ham want to make a change.
Here's Dyer.
Really strong tackle, and the ball's gone out for a throw.
And we're going to get substitutions from both managers. Rice. Antonio. Cresswell. Put into the middle.
Trying to lift it over the nearest defender, and he couldn't.
Edwin Hernandez. When they played their kind of football, Tottenham were a joy to watch.
Kept out by Areola without too much difficulty.
Bowen. So we're coming down now towards the last 15 minutes. It's good work from West Ham out wide. Probing away, trying to find room for a shot maybe. Cleared away by the defender. West Ham United are given a corner.
And now we're going to have an alteration.
Swung in from the corner. A goal after dominating the play. They would be wondering whether they would ever find a way through. But they have done. It was a good goal, good build-up, fine finish. And now maybe they'll go on to take this game by the scruff of its neck. And it's worked for West Ham.
Well, you've got to want to head the ball, Martin, and this player did, and certainly attacked that corner with a lot of desire. Well, it's been tight before that goal, but now the manager, he's so pleased because I reckon he feels his team can go on and win this.
In front now, West Ham. Well, it hasn't been tip-top Tottenham today, has it? And they're running out of time.
They are, and the fans have been on the players' backs at various stages today, but they're right behind them now.
Substitution now for West Ham United.
They are a class act as a team, this group of players. Quick and they're slick with their work.
Well, the manager will be enjoying the sight of it, but he'll also be demanding an end product to it.
And this is going to be a change here for the team that is leading. And it's clearly a tactical one to try and cement that winning position.
It's too close to call this, but they've still got a one-goal advantage. Bowen. Bit of space for him, now out on the wing. Going forward well. Antonio. Put in from the wide area.
Well, the Spurs fans rise as one. Not much time left now.
We're hearing there will be 3 added minutes here. Untidy work. Bowen. Antonio. Now the shot! This could be what they call the insurance goal, couldn't it? To make sure of the victory, to turn a 1-goal lead into 2. And no time for recovery, really, if they were to get the goal. Corner swung in, cleared away, well away from goal.
And the referee blows, and there's the win for West Ham United. Well, a few final thoughts as the players leave the pitch. Disappointed, Alan, weren't they, with the result against a side that they'd really want to beat.
Yeah, of course they would have, and there'll be disappointment in that dressing room now. And didn't really start the game too well, and it was hard to pick it up from them.
If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Also read the description below, where you will find ton of useful information and links regarding the contents of this video.